Hello, I am Oddbjorn Bergem, heading up Nevion. Nevion is a company specializing in video transport. So basically what we do is to help the customers bring video from one point to another. And that could be over fiber, over IP networks or over telecom networks. This year at IBC we are introducing a lot of new products, and all of them are basically to help our customers, which are broadcasters or service providers or telcos, to bring their video securely, without any delay or without any quality degradation, from one point to another, or across from one point to many points. One of the interesting aspects we are looking into these days is a concept called remote production. So the idea is, if you have a soccer match or if you have an event going on, rather than having the full crew out, we would like to help the broadcaster to minimize the number of people they need to have there. And in order to do that, we need to help them bring all their signals back onto their headquarters and then do the remote production at that place. What has enabled that to happen now are two things. One is the actual access to bandwidth, being it over fiber or IP or telecom networks. The other one is the technology which Nevion is providing. So there is no longer the need to make connections at each point and to configure each and every card. With our new software and management system called Video iPath, the user can now in a very seamless way just point and click and set up the connection, and the system will take control over all your equipment, being it Nevion equipment or third-party equipment like IP routers or baseband routers or signal processing gear. An interesting example of this is with our customer in Sweden, On-Site TV, which has recently bought our Video iPad system as well as our hardware cards to help them to do completely remote production, controlling remotely their cameras, their microphones, their lighting, everything, and sitting back in Stockholm doing their production. At Nevion this year we are taking this concept even further. So with what we call Video iPath, we can manage the whole system, not only to control the setup and connection, but also to help the customers doing the full control of all their cards. That means if they need to upgrade the software, that can be done automatically. If they want to schedule a link, that can be done automatically. And if they want to give the end user control over the network, that can be done. So I think what we see this year is the advance of technology, both on the software side and the hardware side, actually helping our broadcast customers as well as our telecom customers to have the complete control, and the merging of the broadcast and the telco finally happening. So if you want to learn more about this and see how we can help you to save money and help you build systems, please contact Nevion either at nevion.com or in any of our local sales offices.